Hey everyone, this is the my place right after the snowstorm. Well, my cousin's place. This video is about breaking the ice. Just listen. A seminar. ASMR. The most satisfying thing about ice storms is when you break the ice. Me, you want to say something without being in the video? Want to say hi? Okay, yeah. Can't show because she's mostly not allowed to be on video. At least yet. Ow, ow! My hand's getting cold. I know. Oh, now my hand is numb. Let's see. Can not even a bit. Ooh. Yep.
Can you edit out stuff?
I mean, yeah. But I'm not gonna edit anything out. I want it to be pure. I only got very little parts of you in the video, but not enough for people to know who you are.
I mean, they can't just search me up on Google.
Search you up in Google?
They can't.
True. Probably because there's not a lot about you on Google anyways. Oh yeah. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Now, let's go stomp around in the snow. I don't usually really edit. Meh. Longer the better. Unless you want higher quality videos, of course. Let's break more of this. The same outcome every single time. Always fall and slip on my bum. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to make us really anything in this type of snow unless you stomp on it. I already lost my shoe to snow earlier when I fell. Now, and now my trash cans, if I haven't done them already. Ah. No, it's very dense. What? Yeah, that's Milo's pee. And if anyone doesn't know, Milo is a German Shepherd. And he is a wuss. Anyone else around the road knows, Winchester, Bardstown. Bardstown, Kentucky, I mean. Yeah, it's too hard to break. Ooh. See, look. See, Mia.
Oh.
Just try not to hit too hard enough. Ooh. Well, everyone around the U.S. is having this right now. Look at all the snow. Welcome to Kentucky. One day it's snow, next day is a heat wave. Half the time we do get snow, other times we don't. How are you going to ask your mom if you're allowed to be recorded? Go ask your mom if you're allowed to be recorded and be put on my YouTube channel. And since, look how bad this is. It's got scraped, but it's not good enough. I'm in a city school, and I already got a snow day, which is very rare. Because the last time I had a snow day, it was over 4 years ago. And that was when I was back in middle school. Go ask Go ask Tisha if she's allowed to be recorded. What's the answer? No? Just as I suspected. This will be a 10-minute video. All I'm doing is looking at your feet. So your face is not even in it, but they know what you sound like. I got the back of your head in the video, but not your face. So you're still safe. Trying to go sledding? Yeah. Oh! Oh! Push you again?
Yeah. I think you need a... Here, I got an idea.
It's not even in the video. Go, Mia, go! What if I push you over? Never mind, you gotta push yourself over. Well, everyone, that is the end of this video. See you in the next one. Okay? Oh, I hope everyone also stays warm because of this bad storm. Bye.